right, hello everybody and welcome in again. David here with CryptoTutorials.org, and today I'm excited. We're starting a new project. We are going to go over the 10 most exciting and interesting tokens that came out for the month of June. So I like to keep my eye on it. There's well over 1,000 new tokens that come out every month. It's amazing, the volume, and I like to keep an eye on a lot of them and see which projects I think are interesting, which ones might be worth an investment of a little bit of money, which ones I think came up with a novel and unique way to use the blockchain, which ones just did some cool marketing and I like their design of things. So I think all of those things are important when releasing a new token, and I like to keep an eye on all of them. So I'm going to go over each token. This is going to be a video right now on what the token is, what it's about, and a little bit of background on it. I'm also going to do a separate video for each token that will explain to you how to purchase it if you want to purchase it. So keep an eye out. I'll put a little link up in the top corner if you want to jump on over to the purchasing video for this. But I'm going to make over each of these 10, and I'm really excited to share them with you. All right, so do me a favor, click on the like button down below, hammer the subscribe button, let YouTube know that you think this is a cool project and you think it's worth sharing with other people, and let's get started. And today we're going to talk about the BetaPulsar token. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. Well, before I teach you all about this new token, I do want to let you know that we still have our $97 Airdrop Masterclass going for free right now. Not sure how much longer we're going to keep this up, but if you are interested in picking up free crypto, and I don't mean junk scam tokens, I mean top quality name brand tokens, things like Blockto and Munerium, things that the airdrops have been really valuable for. Take this class. I'm going to teach you how to pick out the good ones, how to apply for the good airdrops, and how to successfully get some real coins that actually are going to hold some value. So getmyfreecrypto.com. I have the link down below, or you can just type it into your browser, getmyfreecrypto.com. It's going to take you straight there. Just let me know where you want the course link sent, and I will send it right over for you to take the class. All right, so let's take a quick look at BetaPulsar token. Here it is on CoinGecko. You can see BPUL is the symbol for it, and it is a Polygon token. So, you've got Ethereum and Binance, which are the main ones that most of these tokens are coming out on. But Polygon is really growing quickly. It's gained a lot of attention in the last few months, especially. So I'm excited. This is actually going to be my first Polygon token. So I'll do a couple videos showing you how to set up your MetaMask wallet for it. And then, of course, one on how to buy this specific token. Just take a look at those if you need them. All right. Quick overview of the numbers. At this point, it does not have a market cap because it just simply has not been out long enough to have that data. Nobody really knows exactly how many shares, what the value of a share is. It's very young. But you can look over here and see the 24-hour trading volume is 636,000, which is wonderful. I looked at it just not long ago, a couple days ago when I was first scouting this token out. It was in the 200,000s range, so it's grown quite a bit since then, which is definitely a positive. We scroll down here and take a look overview. This is the 2-week overview of its price. So that's basically the entire life of this token so far. It's less than 2 weeks old, but you can see it started out around 70 cents. It dropped all the way down to around 25 cents, and since has shot it back up to around 70 cents. And that's actually since Thursday is when it's tracking information here since. I think the coin's been out a little bit longer than that, but once again, very new token, very interesting. And then as far as markets go, it is available on QuickSwap, and that's the only one. If you're not familiar with the different DeFi exchanges, QuickSwap is the main one for the Polygon Network for Matic. And then you have PancakeSwap, which is the main one for Binance. And you have Uniswap, which is the main one for Ethereum. Each network kind of has their own DeFi exchanges. Some of them are starting to cross over a little more, which is helpful. But most of your Polygon tokens you'll find exchanged on QuickSwap. One interesting thing I've noticed, the BPUL to ETH. Now, normally when you're exchanging for a Polygon token, it'll be to Matic. So I'm a little surprised that this is an Ethereum exchange, but we'll look into it and we'll find out more about it as we go in and actually do the purchase and learn If we could have bought it with Matic, or if we needed to have Ethereum, or if, it may be one of those cases where we need to have Ethereum to swap and Matic as our gas fee. So we'll get in a little deeper and find out more about it when we do the actual purchase. But let's hop over to the website and take a look a little bit at what this is all about. As you can see, yield farms for pioneers, farms and staking. Polipulsar is a company that's done a few different staking related tokens, and right now this is one of two that are paired together on this project. And what they are doing is they are combining yield farming or staking with NFTs and gaming. It's an interesting combination of the three, and I'll go into a little more detail about how the project actually works with it. But just to give you a quick look, you can see $6.5 million is staked right now on the platform, so quite a lot there. This new coin, the BPUL, shows they are showing a market cap of about $700,000, so that's roughly what it's worth at this point. And then if we pop over here real quickly on our rug doctor, they have an insurance policy. They seem to have good tokenomics. It does not look like it's a shady token that's going to be a rug pull on us. I did pull them up in Token Sniffer and found that their contract is not listed. So that's never one of something I like. I like to be able to see the contract up there and let other people audit the contract and make sure that it's good. Sometimes though, when people have a really cool project, they don't want to share their contract. They don't want people copying their code, and I can see that. So it's not a no-go for me, but it's just something that I like to know about and like to be aware of and keep an eye out, because it's a little less safe when you can't see the contract. All right, on over to the actual product. So the way that it works, you're going to get BPUL, the BetaPulsar token, and then you're going to use it to buy a combination of NFTs and missions. So there's different NFTs of different levels, and they receive different rewards. Each of these NFTs is going to earn you a different amount of rewards as you play your way through the game. So you buy one of these characters with your BetaPulsar tokens, you buy your way into the missions, and you get a combination of BNT and BPUL are the two different tokens. Now, BNT, the only way to get it is by earning it through completing missions and having tokens staked on the network. So as I understand it, the more tokens you have staked on the network, each mission you complete, you can get an exponentially larger amount of BNT. So if you happen to have one of these, really high level characters and really high level NFTs, and you have a lot of money staked on the network and you're completing a lot of missions, potentially you could earn quite a lot of BNT as your farming reward. At this point, they are still getting together all of the NFT characters and doing the sale of those. They have not started the gaming end of it. I'm interested because, that always makes a big difference is how fun is the game, how, exciting and interesting it is. I don't know if you've played Alien Worlds, but I played Alien Worlds for a little while. I was bored out of my mind, man. It just felt like it was just, there was nothing interesting or exciting or fun to the game. Maybe I didn't stick with it long enough. Somebody's probably going to tell me how much they don't like that and disagree with me. But that was my experience. And I'm hoping that this game will be a little more interesting and exciting. All right, but that's a quick rundown of this token of BetaPulsar. It's a combination, like I said, of NFTs and farming, yielding, while being put on a Polygon network. Those three things are interesting to me. I think Polygon is the up-and-coming network where things are growing. I love the NFT space. I think the gaming space makes a lot of sense, and yield farming has been popular for well over a year. So interesting combination of all of these different things. All right. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed listening along. Please do me a favor. Click on the like and subscribe buttons down below. Let YouTube know that you enjoyed this video, and we will go on and do the rest of our top 10. All right. Aloha.